Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert the decimal number into a fraction. So first we have 0.6. To convert decimal into a fraction, we will write the number without the decimal point in the numerator first. So 6 in the numerator, then in the denominator write only 1. Now look at the decimal number. How many decimal places are there? We have only one decimal place. So we will put only 1 0 in the denominator after 1. So now we have 10 in the denominator. So our fraction is 6 over 10. We can simplify this fraction further. 6 and 10 both are divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our simplified fraction is 3/5. Now let us convert 0.27. Write the number without the decimal point in the numerator. So 27. Write only 1 in the denominator. Now look at the decimal number. How many decimal places are there? There are 2 decimal places. So write 2 zeros after 1. So we have 27 over 100. And we cannot simplify this fraction further. So let us keep it as it is, 27 by 100. Let us convert 0.125. So 125 in the numerator without the decimal point. Write 1 in the denominator. Look at the decimal number. How many decimal places are there? There are 3 decimal places. So write 3 zeros after 1 in the denominator. So we have 125 divided by 1000. So we can reduce this fraction further. So 125 and 1000 both are divisible by 125. So 125 divided by 125 will be 1 and 1000 divided by 125 will be 8. So our reduced fraction is 1 over 8. Now let us convert 2.375. Write the number without the decimal point in the numerator. So 2375. Write only 1 in the denominator. Then look at the decimal number. How many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3. So let us write 3 zeros after this 1. So we have 2375 divided by 1000. Now both numbers are divisible by 125. So 2375 divided by 125 will be 19 and 1000 divided by 125 will be just 8. Now here denominator is smaller than the numerator. So this is an improper fraction. So we can convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. So let us perform a long division here. 19 divided by 8. 8 goes twice into 19. 8 times 2 is 16. So our remainder is 3. So let us write the quotient 2 as the whole part. So 2, the remainder 3 in the numerator, and we will keep the denominator 8 as it is. So our mixed number is 2 whole 3 8. Hope this video will help you how to convert the decimal numbers into a fraction.